Hi everybody, this is foXnoMad, and today I want to help you travel smarter by taking a look at this portable humidifier. Now, if you're a digital nomad or you travel very frequently, we all have this kind of urge or feeling to get the things that we get as portable. And a humidifier might not be at the top of your travel list, but it might be at the top of your list of things to get for your home, or if you do travel a lot, for your hotel room, if all the dry air, especially in the winter time, affects your sinuses, or if you've got sinus issues, then you might want to get a humidifier. So I found this one on Amazon. It's the MZTDYTL. Anyway, I'll leave a link in the description below. So I picked this one up. They're about $15 on Amazon. I wanted to see how well this little guy does. So it's USB powered. Plug it in, and this thing is designed to be able to humidify a large hotel room or about that size. So what I've done is I've decided to take one of these. I picked one of these up from Amazon and decided to test it out. Now I have a humidity monitor over there which you can take a look at, but first, before we get into the experiment, I wanted to open this little guy up and show you what's inside the box. Hi there, future me. Just a quick note that I forgot to hit record on the second camera, so I had to re-record it, and that's why I'm not talking in this part, but I am talking over this unboxing. Alright, so here you can see clearly from China in the box, LED light, let's see, cleaning thing, step show, which I thought is great. This little thing there. Open this up, these two cigarette looking things, which I assume are going to be the water filters, and there we go. There's your portable humidifier. That's what it looks like. Really nice, sleek, matte finish design. It's got this power on and off button right here, and it's USB powered. Now, I didn't notice, doesn't seem to be a USB cable in the, and you've got your USB cable here to charge it and to power it. So here we go, and the little water cup. Pull that off to get into, to change the filter, but I guess there's already a filter in here. So I'm just gonna leave that as B. It's not the most intuitive design, I must say. And what I'm gonna do is plug it in. Like I said, I have a humidity monitor set up, and I'm gonna let this run for about 30 minutes and then up to an hour, just to see how much this affects the humidity in this particular room, which is quite large. So this is the equivalent of a large hotel room. Let's see how well this little guy does. And while I'm testing that, in the meantime, let's get into the specs and take a closer look at this little humidifier. Now, the first thing I noticed when I took this out of the box was just how nice it felt. So it felt a lot more premium than a $15 humidifier that I got off Amazon. It looks a lot nicer than it actually is. The black matte finish is a really nice touch, and overall the design is very sleek. And this humidifier, which doesn't have a good name, so I'm just going to keep calling it the portable humidifier, but it weighs about 8 ounces, which is 225 grams, and it measures 13 by 7 by 7.3 by 6 centimeters. It's not very big. I'd say about the size of a soda can, and it holds about 200 milliliters of water. And it's designed to just use water, so it's not made for essential oils or perfume or anything like that. And I would recommend using filtered water. It will help the humidifier's filter last just a little bit longer and help you avoid calcification as well. This humidifier has 2 modes, but it's really 4 modes. So the first mode is a continuous mist mode. The second mode is an interval mode, so the motor will turn on and off every 2 seconds or so, and you can combine those. So you can have a continuous mist mode with the light, you can have an interval mist with the light, or both of those modes without any kind of light at all. Each setting is made after a long press of about 2 seconds, and this humidifier does have an automatic shut-off when the water runs out, which is a nice feature to have. A lot of the competing humidifiers at this price range don't have that feature, and the instruction manual shows that 200 milliliters of water will go about 4 to 9 hours. And another thoughtful feature is this USB plug on the back, so you can use it to, let's say, plug in a mouse or maybe charge your phone. It's a nice feature to have, that way this humidifier doesn't steal that USB port from you. As far as this humidifier's impact on my battery life on my laptop,
When I was using it battery only, I didn't notice a significant drop in the battery power. I would also recommend keeping this a little bit far away from your electronics if you are going to use it plugged into a laptop. You don't want the mist to be going directly into your laptop or around your electronics. So if you have the desk space, you can move this humidifier just a little bit further away from your electronics if possible. It's probably not a good idea to keep it too close to your laptop.
So the humidity in the room didn't really change, but obviously this thing is putting out water into the air, and I did notice it. I did notice the sort of the cool mist as I was working, although I didn't have it this close to my laptop. I didn't want it this close to electronics, but otherwise, as far as what it is, of all the portable humidifiers, it seems to be the most popular one on Amazon, or at least the most highly rated. And for 15 bucks, it's not a bad deal. So if you travel a lot and the humidity in your hotel rooms because of the heater or the air conditioning or just the weather outside is affecting your sinuses, this might be a little nice option that's not too expensive to try out for your next trip. And for making it to the end of the video, I'm gonna send one of these out to you. All you have to do to enter is just subscribe to this channel and leave a comment down below in the comment section. There's a link down there so you can use it to subscribe, and once you hit the subscribe button, make sure you come back to the video to leave a comment. If you're already subscribed, all you have to do is click that link and enter your name so that I can make sure that you're registered, and then leave a comment down below. I'll send one of these out to you, and this contest will run through February 23rd. Let me know, is this something that you would get on your next travel? Is this something that you would consider purchasing if you're a frequent traveler or a digital nomad? Let me know in the comments below, and while you're down there, hit the like and subscribe buttons. I'll have new videos for you every week. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
And